Good evening, friends. Today in this video we are going to focus on some writing skills. We are still in the first chapter, which is our unit 1, the first unit, communication skills, and this is our fourth session which we'll be going through. And this is in this particular session we will be working with some writing skills. First, in order to understand writing skills, it is very essential to understand the basics of the language which we are using. Every language has its own set of vocabulary and grammar. So here also we will be seeing certain things which we have been learning from our very childhood. Okay, all the different types of building blocks which we have been studying right from our very elementary classes, we will be discussing those over here. So it is just a revision of what we already know. So the very first thing is, what is a sentence? We know that our English language is made of the English alphabet, where we have 26 letters, out of which 5 are vowels and the rest are your consonants. So when we join the letters, we form words. When words are joined, it forms a sentence, and when sentences are clubbed up together, it makes up a paragraph. A sentence is a group of words that communicates a complete thought. So whatever you want to speak or communicate with the other person, you put it, you frame it or encode it in the form of words, and those words are properly arranged in the form of a sentence which makes complete sense. You just do not join the words together in any fashion and any order you want, but you also join them together in such a way that it forms a complete thought. For example, when we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups, such as little Jack Homer sat in a corner, or I can make out any sentence out of it which makes some sense. For example, I can write, the sun is the pivot of the solar system. So this is a statement where I am trying to say that the sun is at the center of the solar system. Then I can say, Ravi got A plus grade in his math exam. Where are you going? So these all are examples of sentences. Okay. Now we could have written these sentences in any order, like does this sentence make any sense? I don't think so. So over here, your words should be combined in such a way that they make some sense. Got it? Next is, what is a phrase? A group of words which does not make complete sense is known as a phrase. For example, how cold. So when we say how cold, the exact meaning of this sentence is not clear, because firstly it is not a sentence, it's just half a sentence, or it's a part of a sentence. So if we only consider this part, where is the other part? So the other part is very essential if you want that the sentence should make complete sense. Amit writes. Now Amit writes what? Maybe Amit writes a letter, Amit writes a book, Amit writes a paragraph, anything you can write. Punctuation in a sentence. Now punctuation means all sorts of symbols which we use in a sentence such that the exact meaning of the sentence is made clear. Like a sentence always begins with a capital letter, it always ends with a question mark, full stop, or an exclamation mark. So these three things are there which are necessary whenever your sentence has to come to an end. For example, this is a sentence here. Coronavirus pandemic has caused a widespread downfall in world economy. So you can see it starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop, because this is a kind of a sentence which is giving us some information. It's just a statement which is being made. Okay, and over here it's not necessary that only the first letter has to be capital, but depending upon the context and the words which you are using, you can give importance or emphasis to certain letters of the words. And here I have used capital W and capital E for world and economy words respectively. Another sentence over here, you can see, do you think this situation will change? So it's an interrogative sentence, and here a question is being asked, hence there is a question mark. What are the different kinds of sentences? Declarative or assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. These are the four different types of sentences. What is a declarative or assertive sentence? So a sentence where some statement, some information is given, okay, that is just a declaration is made, that is known as a declarative or assertive sentence. For example, I am going to study well this year. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Now from this particular example also you can see the first sentence is a declarative sentence. Ravi got A plus in his maths exam. Again, this is a declarative or assertive sentence. And where are you going? We are going to see what kind of a sentence is this. So these are some examples of a declarative or assertive sentence. Olympus Mons is the highest peak in the solar system, and you should know that Olympus Mons, this particular peak exists in the planet Mars. Second is interrogative sentence. A kind of sentence where a question is asked is known as interrogative sentence, like, why do you need to go out amidst all this chaos? Where do you live? Did you make these cookies? And over here also, this particular sentence, where are you going, it can be considered as interrogative sentence. Next is imperative sentence. So a sentence that expresses a command or an entreaty. Please make a mark this word entreaty. What is this word entreaty? What does this mean? So this word entreaty, it means making a petition. Okay, a petition which is made in a whole group. For example, have mercy on us, help us. This is an example of a mass petition being made or a request being made by a large group of people, that is entreaty. Also, imperative sentences can be made to place requests to people, like, please help me in doing my homework. This is request. And last of all, we have command. Go to the market and buy some fruits. So what are we doing over here? We are giving a command or an order to somebody to do something. Please help me complete my homework. This is a request. Bring me a glass of water. This is a command. Have mercy on us. This is entreaty. Next is exclamatory sentence. Now, what are exclamatory sentences? So some certain times are there when we write sentences which play a very major role in showing emotion, or like anger, excitement, unhappiness, sadness, sorrow. Okay, all these things. So you can see over here, what a wonderful dress. So this is excitement, amazement. Wow, you are a highly skilled artist. Again, happiness, excitement, astonishment. How cold the night is. This is expressing a physical feeling of cold. Okay. So these are certain types of sentences which we have studied today. In the end, just one request to everyone. If you really benefit from this video, then please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Please do not forget, like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. And thank you all for your love and support.